Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you being here. And I can tell you, you're going to learn a lot from today's video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is amla powder. I don't know if you have used amla in your hair care routine, but if you haven't, you should start now. Let me give you a few reasons. Amla has vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It also has fatty acids, and all these together helps to promote healthy hair growth. My next natural ingredient is neem powder. And before getting into that, you know how we do it here? But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so neem powder can help you grow your hair. Neem will condition your hair, it will prevent hair breakages and also improve blood circulation to the scalp. This in return will help you grow healthy hair. After adding these two natural ingredients together, it is time to add my carrier oil. Today I chose to use grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is one of my favorite plant-based oils. This oil is lightweight, it easily penetrates into your hair strands to strengthen your hair to prevent it from breakages. I measured about half a tablespoon of amla powder as well as half a tablespoon of the neem powder. After that, I added about 2 tablespoons of my grapeseed oil. I mix everything together in a bowl and it is time to add my Vaseline. Vaseline has been underrated, guys. Aside the fact that Vaseline is good for the skin, for your lips, for your foot, and for everything else, it is also great for the hair. If you incorporate Vaseline to your hair care routine, it is going to keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. One key factor to preventing hair breakages is to have a very well moisturized hair. And combining mango batter with the Vaseline is the game changer. If you haven't tried mango batter in your hair care routine, please run and get yourself a mango batter. Mango batter is great when it comes to hair growth and also keeping your hair really moisturized. It is a lightweight batter and it easily also penetrates into the hair strands to prevent your hair from breaking. It has vitamins and minerals that are also great for your hair. So I also measured about a tablespoon of the Vaseline as well as a tablespoon of my mango batter. At this point, I'm going to put everything in a hot water. This is the double boiler method. This will help the natural ingredients to infuse with the other ingredients added to it. If you put this in a hot water, what I usually do is I'll turn off the water and allow it to sit and allow everything to melt together. Giving it a stir is also important because it helps to mix everything together as well as it helps speed up the melting process. So I'm going to leave this sitting in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until everything is melted like so. Alright guys, so because we added amla powder with the neem powder, we need to strain this oil. You don't want to use it like so. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of particles stuck in your hair and you don't want that. So you can use any material with tiny holes, whether a paper towel, a good paper towel that can hold all the ingredients, or a cheesecloth. Anything with tiny holes, just make sure it is clean. Alright, so once you have everything strained like so, there is one trick I'm going to show you right now. But before getting into that, if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So this is lavender essential oil. Let me show you the trick. Sometimes these natural ingredients have strong smell. If you cannot stand the smell of herbs or natural ingredients, always add essential oils to your DIYs. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Aside the fact that essential oils will improve the smell of any DIY recipe, it also has its own added benefits. It is going to also help stimulate new healthy hair growth and also improve blood circulation in the scalp. Once you have the recipe like so, it is ready. You just pop it in the refrigerator until it forms back like this. Once you have it like this, you got your hair pomade, your herbal hair moisturizer, or call it your herbal oil. You don't need much, just a little goes a long way. Use this on your wash days to moisturize your hair. Use it every time your hair feels dry. You can actually use this every day or every other day. Just be consistent with the use. Make sure you massage it into your hair. If you are consistently using this, it is going to prevent hair breakages. It will keep your hair moisturized for a long time and also help you grow new healthy hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.